Hello my crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I want to come on today with a quick card share and a small haul. I did purchase this die online from a favorite online store that you guys know about. And I wanted to share with you the super cute card that I made. This die is such a must-have for your stash. There's so many different things you can do with this. I have a lot of ideas for this die, but just let me show you and share with you what I created. So what I did was I decided to make a couple of baby cards. I have 3 ladies that I know that are expecting girls, so I really wanted to make some baby cards. So let me share with you the first one. Well, actually, let me just share with you the die set. First of all, it comes with this die right here, which is how I created the card base. And as you can see, that's the size if I lay it over the card like that. And then it comes with this piece right here, which is the layering piece, and that's how I layered this part right here. And then it also comes with the little pocket. So there's the pocket and then the little base to the pocket. It comes with a bow, and it has a couple different options for the top of the dress, the collar, and then it also comes with a tiny little flower. And as you can see, it actually comes with 2 bows, this smaller one and a larger one. So super, super cute. And so this is the first card that I made. I just created a card base, and I used that really pretty, like, looks like a doily for the collar. Really, really cute. And then you open it up and it says, "Oh baby, congratulations." And I did use one of my heart dies. I didn't bring it down, but this is the stamp set that I recently picked up. This one right here. I picked this one up from Simon Says Stamps, in case you're wondering. Sorry for the glare, you guys, but I used that. And then this is the back. I did back the card. And it's just so cute, you guys. Look how super cute that is, just sitting up. I mean, it's adorable. And then this is the second one that I made, and I love the way that this one came out as well. What I did was I cut the card base. I don't know if you can tell. I'll kind of zoom in. I used a layer of vellum on the dress, and then I layered it with this really pretty cardstock that I've had in my stash for a while. And then you see the really pretty pocket right here. It is die cut out of some foam to give it some dimension. And then on the bottom, I did use some lace. Let me see if that will focus. I added some lace underneath the dress, and I just thought that was a really nice added touch. Really, really pretty. And let me show you what the inside of the card looks like. You open it up and it looks like that, and it says, "Welcome, little one." And again, I used that heart die that's in my stash. And then this is the top of the card. I went ahead and layered it with heavyweight cardstock on the inside, and then also backed it on the outside with the decoration paper. It's a really pretty floral pattern. It's embossed. It's gorgeous paper. So I really love my 2 baby cards that I made. I will link the items in the description box below in case you want to find this die. There are 2 dies. There's this die right here, that's the baby girl dress, and then they also do carry a onesie. I didn't pick up the onesie. It's in my cart, but I haven't purchased it yet. I wanted to play with this one and see what it looks like. And so I'll link both of the dies in the description box below if you want to try to find the die. And then also on a side note, yes, this will fit on a 6x6 sheet of paper, so you can run it through your die cut machine. So you don't need a larger die cut machine to use this particular die set. So super fun find. Please leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. If you like what I made today, give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.